To set notification pop-up style to brief for all apps on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down to the top of the screen. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification. Tap notification pop-up style. And then select brief thumbnail. Tap apps to show as brief. And then tap the on off switch next to all apps until the switch turns blue to turn it on. By doing this, now when you have a new notification from an app, your phone will show a brief of the notification content in the pop-up like this. As a note, the setting will not be applied for those apps that you have turned off its pop-up notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.